Hello everyone, it's me FlyLady Kat, and today we're continuing on our February journey with the wisdom of finally loving yourself and the grace of finally loving yourself, which is being done by Nikki in her beautiful videography. Today I'm giving you the steps for the children's morning routine, and Nikki will make a beautiful videograph of that, or video of that. So, videograph, that sounds like 1800s, doesn't it? Sorry. Maybe it's right, I don't know. All right, so here's the children's morning routine. First and foremost, yours must be done before you do help the children with theirs. Little children may need your assistance. Bigger children may need your guidance. Even bigger children may need you to just kind of check in to make sure the things are being done and remind them. All right, and then teenagers simply need reminders. And here's how it goes. So when you get up in the morning and you've done your morning routine, you've got something in the kitchen, maybe for breakfast, it's ready so that when the children are done, they're going to come into the kitchen and have breakfast. So first thing is the children get up and make their beds. Making a bed for a child is not the same as making a bed for you. They're not going to make hospital corners and make it smooth and fresh. They're going to do the very best they can manage. So try to make the bed a place where they can easily access. If it's jammed up against the wall, they're going to have a hard time. They're going to have to climb over the bed, tuck it in with their little hands. And if that's the only choice, it's the only choice. But just remember that this is hard for them, and we don't want to have a struggle first thing in the morning, so make it as easy as pie. And basically, they're going to pull up their sheets and blankets just in one fell swoop, so they're not going to be wonderful. And then they're going to pull their bedspread up, or whatever kind of comforter that you have on the bed. And then they're going to put their pillow in a sham or whatever they've got up at the top, and possibly a baby or a blanket or something on the top. You high-five those babies. When they say, I make my bed, because that's what you're inferring, and you're saying to them, hey, you've made your bed. You're awesome. All day long, that little kid thinks, I make my bed. And when they come home and they see it and you haven't rearranged it, that's a no-no. Leave it the way they made it. They're proud of their work. Just like when they bring you a picture home and it's like a man and they're so proud of it. You can't correct it. You just have to tell them yay. And they look at it and they see something through their little child's eyes. So when they look at their bed, they see a bed that they made and they're proud of it. The only time you're ever allowed to fix their bed is if the real estate agent is coming with people to look at your house. That's it. No other time. I don't care if it's Christmas and people are going to come look at the children's room. You proudly point out that your child makes their bed. Okay, that's your little lesson. All right, next, into the bathroom. They're going to wash their face, brush their teeth. That little toothpaste spitty thing that they put in the sink, they're going to wipe that out. They're going to comb their hair. You're going to help them if they need to. Maybe your little girl needs you to French braid her hair or whatever. Put on their clothes. Put their pajamas in the hamper if they're dirty, in the drawer, or wherever you have them, keep them. Some people have their children stick them under their pillows. I don't care. It's your house. You're the alpha. Just wherever you want their PJs to go, just not on the floor. If you may have a special hook for them, doesn't matter. It's all good. All right, and then they're going to hang up their towel, their little hand towel, and leave the bathroom. So they're leaving the bathroom the way they found it. They're not dropping clothes on the floor. They're not leaving toothpaste in the sink. They're not balling up their towel and leaving it on the drain or on the floor, worse. They're going to hang it up. Then they're coming into the kitchen. Now they're dressed, their bed is made, their teeth are brushed, their face is clean, and they're going to eat some breakfast. And then there may be one or two other little jobs that you have them do, like maybe you have them feed the dog, or maybe you have them give a pinch of food to the fish, or something like that. Or if they're older, maybe they make their lunch for school, or maybe you had them make that last night. It's all your call. But don't give them a million jobs. One or two little jobs in the morning routine is fine. And then have their things by the front door. If you're taking your children to school, if they're not homeschooled and you're leaving the house with them, then their shoes, I recommend shoes by the front door, because you know how kids are. They never can find it, and it's like, we got to go, get your shoes. They're by the front door. Their backpack is by the front door. Their signed paperwork and completed projects, etc., are by the front door in their backpack, so that when they've had breakfast, it's simple to go over to the door, have them put on their shoes, get their backpack, get their jacket, and then their backpack, and then let's go. A lot less trouble and a lot less friction than the old days, right? Okay, that's it for today. I hope you have a beautiful day. Now go over to Inspired by Nikki and watch her video of the same thing. So she's going to just show you how this looks, okay? All right, and the link's below. Have a wonderful day, and always remember, you are beautiful.